red one, okay?
Okay.
Are you moving?
Yeah.
Okay, I want this one. Which one do you not want?
No, oh. Hey, which one you don't?
I don't want, honestly, Poppy. I don't really like her design this time. It's too pink. Let's show the camera before you see it, okay? Is it correct? Wait. What is it?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, Joanne. Wait. Oh, okay, I wanted this one too. Sure you did.
How cute
Oh
one.
wait, the dress is actually
That is so
and the
cute.
shoe. Oh wait, it's an ornament. Yeah, wait. It's a snowflake. Okay. Okay, I'll buy it.
It's so snowy. Are you happy, Vika?
I'm so happy.
That's really cute.
Thank you, Plum. Thank you, Ellen.
Hello, Maya. We are tonight. And then we look. Oh man, what a tricky class.
Hello everyone, we are upside down. It's raining. What's happening?
Yeah, okay. Are you reminding in like email or the group chat or?